Hello everybody, hope you're all well and having a good day. Just doing a little video. I'm messing about in the stock loft today. Gave these boxes a lick of paint yesterday, as you can see, nice lick of paint. Does the world of good. And I'm just putting the hen birds in here. I'll just put them in, just having to count up of the birds, seeing what we've got. And looking at the birds, checking them over. Now the molt's finished. They come through the molt looking absolutely fantastic, if I don't say so myself. And it's actually hen birds, these all hens pairing all up each other. Look. But yeah, they're feeling absolutely fantastic. Cockbirds are just here in a box. Just got the cockbirds here in a box. And going to look at them and box these hen birds up and see if we've got the numbers that make up. So we're back in a bit. Yep, we've got 5 pairs. We've found 5 lovely cockbirds. 5 lovely hens. They're obviously not all paired up because they've been separate for months on end. That cockbird there, he's actually the father to the one above at the top. It's the rain, you can hear it raining now. It's going to be absolutely tipping it down all day today. Can't let any birds out. Apparently, as of tomorrow, we're not even allowed to let any birds out at all. Never mind. Right, what's going on? Might let him in. Let's let him in. A little bit of bonding. Can't do it one-handed. But yeah, not too bad. Not a bad kit of birds. I do need to select a hen bird though in the box. The cockbirds have been living in here, but they've I partitioned the boxes off. I did do a video, but I didn't post it, to be fair. I can't remember if I did or not. I put a partition in between each box, so I had 2 cockbirds sitting on each box, and I had a row of perches on there. But they also took them down now to clean the wall and spruce this place up a bit. But yeah. I'll let these have their fun, and then perhaps I'll put some blues in and see how many blue pairs we've got. pair here, that would be 3/4 pure Macclesfield there. That sounds silly, but yeah, it's a Macclesfield hen, and that's half Macclesfield, half print. It's my print to a Macclesfield hen, Macclesfield cockbird to my print hen. We've got here, got my print hen, my print cockbird to a Macclesfield hen, and this will be half Macclesfield to a half Macclesfield. Yeah, probably should pair them a different way really, but we'll have another look later and see what we ought to do on the paperwork. Get the paperwork out and see what's what. Maybe just go for some pure Macclesfields. But he is lovely, he is. Right. Right, I'm back. Change them over for the blues. At the minute I've got 5 pairs of blues. These are original gift birds from Mr. Kelly. I've had them a few years now, but what else can you do with stock birds that are proven birds? 3 of these cockbirds, 1, 2, and possibly that one, flew 17 hours for me as young birds. I've moved an old hen over here. That's old Dorothy with a white dot on the back of the head. I bred her from these pairs. Without looking, I can't tell you which ones it's off. But she flew 18 hours 45 for me. So she's earned her place here in the stock loft, along with a blue of the same sort of breed, again off this lot. So I've got 5 nice pairs of blue there, and obviously 1 checker. I might be able to find another pair to go in there, but that'd be a bit of blue pair, or even a checker cockbird to go in there with that box. She's not having a lot of that with him, is she, at the minute? She's not having it. Crikey, that must be tipping. It is tipping it down, look. Oh dear, oh dear. Still makes the grass grow. But yeah, she's got to get fondled, or should I say, fond of him. But he's sort of bullying her at the minute, isn't he? Hate that when they bully him. That's why I always pair these other 4. They've been together for years, these 4. These are old married couples. Trouble is, I've said it there, they're old. They're getting on now. 15 plate, not 15, they're 17 plate, most of these, I think. They're too good to get rid of. I don't want to get rid of them. Fly like hell. Just take him out of there and then let him get to her through the bars so he can play up to her. Yeah, let's do that. There you go. Stops her getting bullied, doesn't it? Like I say, look at the others. They're well happy. They've been divorced for probably about 6 months. She's nodding to him, look. She's nodding. certain she'll be alright. He's just got to take it easy with her, isn't he? You know what, I wish I hadn't got rid of them, I've changed them boxes round, but it is what it is, I've changed them. Been like this a couple of years now, haven't they? So I'm just going to make do with them, but they're not the best. Right, that's me waffling on too much. I'm going to go and find another pair for in there, I think. Go and have a look at the other birds. Thanks for watching. If you've made it to the end of the video, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye for now.